Hey guys, welcome back to the Anything Goes Project. Today's going to be a rather casual video. Haven't really been recording much on like the gear and stuff like that because this weekend has been a studio overhaul. As you can see, I've hung a lot of the gear up, the bags that I use for the backpacking and overlanding. Reworked the whole other side of the studio and that whole side. As a matter of fact, this video, I'm just going to give you a tour of the man cave, kind of where it all happens. Pocket dump, Victorinox, and my little leather case that's got my SOG power pint in it, my Olight, and pen and pry bar. So today we're just sitting back, chilling, enjoying a glass of rum, and getting the studio redone. So let's take a tour.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
Okay, since now we've managed to grab the selfie stick to kind of see what it is we're doing, you can see we got lights set up in various places, big with the diffusers and the softeners on them. Okay, let's first start on this side of the room. Kind of the area, it's a little bit open. A lot of the gear hung it up. We can walk over there and take a look at it if you want. And we got some of the gear, big backpacking, or my overlanding bag, tent, some stuff. I'm going to be reviewing this item next. This is by Rainfly Evolution, and this is an emergency shelter if you actually have to have it, but I like to use it in conjunction with that tent. That is actually a hybrid suspension tent. It can be set up on the ground or in a tree. So might be reviewing that as well. But you can see we got the other backpacks all the way down to the just little day hike packs. And I'm going to push in the chair here. And as far as the rest of the studio, you can kind of see down here in the bottom, I've got those big black Husky trunks. They run all the way along the bottom. Keep them filled with stuff for whenever I do go out and go camping and stuff like that. I've got a 9x6x9 trailer that I pull behind my Bronco. Load those on. I got a tent. I got six gallon water containers that I can drop in there, and we're ready to go. Power station, Blue Eddy power station down here. Solar panels for it over here. And as you can see, I kind of added a shelf to put some of my man shit up. Alcohol, basically. It's alcohol, everything up there. Pretty much all of it is alcohol. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to give you guys a casual tour around. Computer, dual monitor, another computer down there on the end. That's where a lot of the editing and stuff takes place for when I was doing the podcasting, and because as you can see, the microphones, got the soundboards and everything. Get this out of the way so you can actually see microphones. Not doing the podcast anymore, so I might be in the market to start selling some of the equipment for that, soundboard and stuff like that. I'm going to keep one of the mics and probably the soundboard, but I've got another whole mic set up and soundboard on the other side too, for if I had guests. And it worked out pretty good that way. But shut down the podcast. We're basically doing a rebrand. And as you can see on this side of the room, it's all kinds of like painting easels and stuff like that. I do a lot of artwork, just kind of for fun. I do sell it online. I mean, you can kind of see octopus, and then I've done some other like, oops. And that's the second one that goes with the octopus picture. But as you can see, I've got them hanging up all over my walls, all the way around the studio. So it's pretty quiet in here. Got the sound dampeners up on the wall on that side. Every now and then, though, you can hear the dogs because it's a double window and the dogs are in that backyard. So, but other than that, yeah, I figured you guys would want to see what goes on behind the scenes. So, yeah, there we go. Basically, guys, let's just drink, enjoy our weekend, and hope all of you have a wonderful Easter weekend. So with that, guys, we're out of here. Bye. Back the truck up. I forgot to tell you guys, we're starting another channel. I like food. I'm a fat man, as you can tell. I like food. Had a conversation with Viper and Roberto Blake the other day, and during a clubhouse session. It's our weekly, not weekly, but it's daily during the week coffee house or coffee talk that we have at 9 a.m. on Clubhouse. So if you get a chance to look it up. But we were in that room, had a really interesting conversation, talked with Roberto about it and Viper, and pretty much, yeah, I'm about to release a new channel. We're going to be trying the foods that most people think are comfort foods that some of us would look at and be like, that's freaking gross. Like, let's say, for instance, what do macaroni and cheese and ice cream have in common? Uno, dos, tres. That's weird. That's just weird. You kind of get a sweet taste at the very beginning. Well, watch the channel, you're going to find out. So with that, guys, now I'm out of here. Bye.